Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, bird feeder and bird bath invite beautiful birds into your garden. Watching birds visit your outdoor space brings life, movement and peaceful sound. You can also decorate with handmade diapers that paint, flower pot, pebbles, art, wooden sink and recycle planter. Add personality and creativity without spending much money. And friends, viewers, water factors such as a small foundation or decorative water ball create a relaxing sound that make the garden feel clean and refreshing. Garden state, fairy house or small animal figures can become charming. Fox or pond, place them among flowers or near pathway to surprise visitor with their delightful details. And friends, viewers, friends, so friends, my next idea is claiming or lawns, drawing on trellis or garden arch add high and elegance and as flower bloom. They create beautiful nature, interest and colorful backdrop. And friends, viewers, friends, and don't forget comfortable outdoor, a small table with chair creating the perfect place for family gathering, afternoon tea or enjoy the fresh air. So viewers, I hope you are enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel.